Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lang, Saskatchewan is a small village located about 70 kilometers southeast of Regina along Highway 39. With a population of just under 100 people, it is a quiet and close-knit community surrounded by farmland. Like many villages in southern Saskatchewan, Lang offers a simple and steady pace of life shaped by agriculture and the rhythms of the prairie. The village was established in the early 20th century during a period of rapid settlement across the region. Lang was officially incorporated as a village in 1913. Its development was closely tied to the expansion of the railway, which played a central role in connecting rural communities to larger markets and transportation networks. Lang was named after a railway official, reflecting the influence that rail companies had on the naming and growth of many prairie towns. The railway brought people, goods, and opportunity, allowing settlers to build farms and establish a permanent community in what had previously been open prairie. Over time, the village developed basic services to support local residents and surrounding farms. Agriculture remains the foundation of life in Lang. The surrounding fields produce crops such as wheat, canola, and barley, along with other grains and oilseeds common to Saskatchewan. Farming operations in the area range from family-run farms to larger agricultural businesses, all contributing to the local economy. The changing seasons, especially planting and harvest, continue to shape daily life in the community. In its earlier years, Lang featured grain elevators along the railway, which served as key points for storing and shipping grain. These structures were once central to the prairie skyline and local economy. While many of them have been removed over time, they remain an important part of the village's history and identity. The surrounding landscape is defined by open prairie, with wide fields stretching to the horizon and very few natural barriers. The sky plays a major role in the scenery, often appearing vast and uninterrupted. Weather patterns can be dramatic, with bright sunny days, strong winds, and vivid sunsets that highlight the beauty of the region. Lang's location along a well-traveled highway makes it a quiet stop for those moving through southeastern Saskatchewan. While it does not have the size or services of a larger town, it offers a genuine look at rural life in the province. Visitors passing through can experience the calm, open environment that defines much of the prairie landscape. Thanks for watching!